In this video, I determine coordinate of a point which intersect or which bisect a straight line internally. Suppose this is coordinate system O, X, this is X dash, this is Y, this is Y dash. Suppose this is line A comma B. Sorry, AB. This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Let the point P, which bisects a straight line AB at ratio m is to n. This part is m, this part is n. So what will be the coordinate of P comma Q? Sorry, of the point P. Let I take it is A comma B. I find the value of A and value of B. Now how to prove? Join this. This is C, this is D, this is E. Now join this is F, this is G. This angle is 90 degree, these angles are 90 degree, and AG is parallel to CE. Now join also this. AG is parallel to PH, and so that P angle PAF equal to angle BPH, because these are parallel, and angle APF equal to angle PBH, because these PD and BE are parallel. So angle PAF equal to angle BPH, and angle APF equal to angle PBH, and angle PFA equal to angle BHP, because these angles are 90 degree. So by angle similarity, A similarity, we can write triangle PAF is similar to triangle BPH. PAF similar to BPH. Now we see triangle PAF is similar to triangle BPH by angle similarity, and we know corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. So we can write AP by BP equal to AF by PH. So AP, find the length of AP. AP is, we know AP is M and BP is N. And we see this is X1, this is Y1. This line length is A. This is X2. So AF is A minus X1. And PH is X2 minus A. Now calculate this mx2 minus am equal to an minus nx1. Now a common m plus n equal to mx2 plus nx1. Now take this a equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. We have a equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, we can write b equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. If P is midpoint of a comma b, then if P is midpoint of a AB line, so we can write m equal to n. So coordinate of P is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2.